Just actually about to tell you something too. I was waiting for you to call.
What's going on?
So there's this new girl in my school, right?
Yeah.
And so like she was like, oh yeah, my dad's in jail too or whatever. So like we started becoming friends, right?
She said her daddy what?
In jail too, right?
Yeah.
So I said, I don't know. What like cell or like I don't know, like something you were in, right?
Yeah.
And I said like the PC unit.
Oh yeah, there ain't no PC, brother. Not no PC.
I thought you were.
No PC is protective custody. That's when you scared to be on the floor with regular people.
Oh.
Yeah. I ain't no PC, girl.
No, I was joking, Dad. It was a joke.
Oh, I was like, what?
I just saw it on TikTok, so I was trying to do it too.